the city that never sleeps, a city of culture, of people, and of markets that never run out of stories. Today, I'm diving into the heart of the city to experience what Oso truly means. If you think you have seen Oso, wait until you see what Ibadan is cooking. This is not just chopping, this is survival in motion. And I am taking you right to the middle of it. My first stop is Ogunpa Market, the mother of all markets in Ibadan. The moment you step close, the sounds alone tells you this is no ordinary place. Here, every trader fights for attention and every buyer comes in armed with bargaining power.
Money shop also, round neck, waist boss, socks, possible pants, more than much of school. So I'm on school, any size, different design. Oh wow, we don't know there. What's the price anymore? Sorry,
Bí èlò ní báàgì, èlò ní báàgì.
6,000 naira. I will lay by 10,000 naira. Aláwọn kékèké náà bí ọjà 2,000, 2,500 lóríṣiríṣi la ní. Aláwọn 10,000 naira ní. Ó pọ̀ lórí ìjà aláwọ̀ àbúrò lókè báyìí ní báyìí. Kọ́sítọ́mà yẹn máa ń wá dáadáa.
Kọ́sítọ́mà yín ṣé inú Ìbàdàn nìkan náà ti ń wá àbí káàkiri?
Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, Ọ̀yọ́, Ṣáàbí, Iléṣà, Ìjẹ̀bú, Èkó, Abẹ́òkúta àti ìwà máa ń wá.
Ṣé ó sales làwọn kìíní àbí?
Ó sales ni.
Lórúkọ jàtà wáyé.
Nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn yìí nílẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí mi tí ì rí lọ́wọ́ tóbi tó Ògùnpa nọ́mbà 1 ní gbogbo Ìbàdàn yìí.
Ìtàlàwọ̀ kẹ́pà náà pé bíi èmi gángan nìyá lọ́jọ́ Ògùnpa kẹ́pà face.
Across Energy Group is an energy business organization that is headquartered in Johannesburg, South Africa. The company specializes in the exploration, production, and distribution of crude oil, refined petroleum products, and petrochemicals. Across Energy, empowering true energy.
Anything what you buy from us, Oga, our price not best. Best of
Right now I'm in Ogunpa Market in Ibadan. And I tend to enjoy it. From all testimonies, I've been hearing that the market is a cheap one, and you can actually buy in wholesale. It's a lovely place, and they actually it's just hustling and bustling. Ogunpa Market, hustling and bustling. All true.
Ogunpa is loud, rough, and alive. It is a place where business is not only done, it is battled. And in this battlefield, every voice is a weapon, every handshake is a deal, and every step pulls you deeper into the storm of survival. Ogunpa is not just a market, it is a machine powered by people, sweat, and endless transactions. The smell of fresh food mixes with fragrance of soaps and cosmetics. The shout of traders blends with the noise of traffic and bargaining. Yeah, nothing is quiet. Every corner wants your attention. Every store pulls you in, from goggles to stationaries, from household items to beautiful products. Ogunpa is a universe where survival is sold in small and big packages. This is where Ibadan also begins.
I'm a dealer of all Islamic wears. Muslim wear such as jalabia, caps, hijab, men and women gang jalabia. I'm selling it. almost 20 years ago now. This market.
In this market?
Yes.
In Ogunpa, bargaining is an art. No price is final. No deal is closed until both sides feels like a winner.
Báwo lẹ yẹn ń tà? Tó. Báwo lọjà?
Adúpẹ́ fún ọba.
Kí ló ń forúkọ ọjà táwa yìí?
Lẹ́bánà Ògùnpa.
Lẹ́bánà Ògùnpa. Wọ́n ní gbogbo nǹkan ló ń tà lọ́jà yìí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò sí tí wọ́n ta. Wọ́n ta Guinea, wọ́n ta materials, wọ́n ta lace, wọ́n ta nkàrà, wọ́n dẹ̀ ta bag, wọ́n dẹ̀ ta shoe and bag.
Ṣé àwọn ará Ìbàdàn nìkan ló ń nájà yìí?
Ìjà alábàdàn nìkan ló ń nájà yìí. Gbogbo ìlú ni wọ́n máa wá sọ́jà yìí láti wá rajà.
Báwo lẹ́yìn tí wàá nájà yìí?
Ó ti dé 20 years. Àwọn kankan cheap, àwọn kankan dẹ̀ wọ́n tó gbogbo alamọ bí Nàìjíríà ti di. Àwọn ọjà kan cheap, àwọn ọjà kan wọ́n. A máa ń ní kọ́sítọ́mà láti Òṣogbo, láti Ọ̀yọ́, láti Ṣakí, láti Ifẹ̀, láti Èkó.
Láti Èkó máa rajà ń dàgbà. Lámi pé ọjà yìí ló cheap jù.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni first bag ibi wọn ti kó gbági tuntun lọ. Ọjà tó ti wà tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni.
Ọjà àdáyébá.
Ọjà àdáyébá ni kò sí nítorí tí ń wá sọ́jà ni. Ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní. Ọmọ wa ṣaṣọ ni mà. Gidigidi wà mí fún ẹgbẹ́ Materials market. Materials market ṣe
You hear traders shouting, customer insisting, and in the middle of it all, business keeps moving. Yeah, people don't just buy goods, they buy respect, they buy trust, they buy survival. Every raised voice is no longer anger, it is strategy. Every smile at the end is victory. This market doesn't serve the people who use the city. Ogunpa is where diversity rules. Step in and you will see why this market is called a city within a city.
Àwa ni ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ rere nínú Ògùnpa. Ìdíjì ọmọ àdúgbò yẹn gan ló bá yé sọ̀rọ̀ wọn tó bá dà bọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló bí yín sí.
Pẹ̀lú ògbọ́n orúkọ tí wàá gángan lé mọ́mú yẹn gbé wa.
Inú Ògùnpa iná lẹ̀ ṣì ń gbé. Inú Ògùnpa ilẹ̀ ṣì ń gbé àbí.
Ayé mi ò tí ì dá pé kí n ní sáìtì lè rẹ̀. Ẹ bá lè ẹ́pù ní kádàrá mi. Agbolé wa bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lẹ̀gbẹ́ mọ́lẹ́ gàmá sùn. Agbolé wa
It is not just a market, it is a world of its own. Every second here is money moving from one hand to the another. And if you want to see the spirit of business alive, Ogunpa is where you need to be. One city, one story, one hustle. Ogunpa showed me the daily fight for bread. Ogunpa showed me that nothing is too small to sell. This is Ibadan. This is Ibadan spirit, unshakable, unstoppable, unforgettable. As the sun sets on this market, one truth remains, the hustle never ends, and tomorrow will rise again, because hustle is the language the city speaks.